Assembly lines today feature multiple parallel activities, automation and digitalization. This means new challenges in the whole quality process. Atlas Copco's QA Platform 4.0 is the answer to combine new manufacturing techniques with higher quality to achieve real smart connected solutions. Data and statistics from all data collectors are merged and analyzed with QA Supervisor software to schedule routes and monitor the complete quality process. The personalized dashboard of QA Supervisor software provides a clear and immediate overview of the quality process, allowing the quality manager to easily monitor and assign tasks to the operators. The operator receives his tasks online on his device, enabling direct communication with the quality manager. QA Platform 4.0 can standardize and digitalize your process and also provide operator guidance during the tests. A mobile device enables the flexibility of the operator. Alternatively, a smaller ST Palm can be used. Many tests in a factory are performed visually, such as optical inspections and OK, not OK. The tool check operations can be performed with a high level of flexibility. The ST bench can replicate the exact behavior of the real joints in the production line, providing reliable acceptance criteria for the validation. The ST pad is easily docked on an ST bench for immediate testing. The ST bench guides the operator, highlighting the brake to be used. The ST bench is equipped with all the accessories necessary for test execution. Starting the test is simple and execution is fast, increasing productivity for machine capability tests. The joint check procedures are displayed on the ST pad. Clear instructions show how to perform the tasks. The combination of ST pad and ST wrench with its patented algorithm for real-time residual torque detection provides the most comprehensive solution for joint checks. The QA Platform 4.0 also includes non-torque related inspections. Just one example is the dimensional check that can be scheduled and performed automatically. The interface guides the operator and the data is stored on the ST pad, eliminating human error and sent to the QA supervisor. If fixtures have to be tested during production, a simple way is to use an IRC Connect, a new way of making your transducers smart and wirelessly communicating even in offline mode. With storage capacity of up to 5,000 measurements and the possibility to operate remotely in dangerous areas. The operator is guided through the scheduled test intervals. If defects appear or condition has to be documented, the integrated camera can be used effectively to record images in the database. All quality-related inspections have been performed using the QA 4.0 platform, ensuring the highest quality of the assembled product. The quality manager can deeply analyze all the tests performed and monitor the history of every single detail of the process. Final check is OK, and another car of the highest quality is released to delight its customer on the road. This is quality assurance in a new light. The QA Platform 4.0 from Atlas Copco can help you to fully safeguard the quality of all your products.